What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl Team Stacy, and I'm back with another YouTube video. And if you're new to my channel, hello, and if you're a returning subscriber, what's up? So I literally look so freaking crazy right now, but we are about to transform and get ready for tonight. I'm going to dinner, so I'm going to Komodo. We're gonna go to a few clubs. I just need to transform because this is crazy. Wee. Okay, so this is the wig. This wig I had this wig for a very long time. Wore it only one time. I really wanted to do like a long bust down kind of look, but my homegirl, she was just like, switch it up. Like all your pictures on Instagram are like long bust down. So I'm like, you know what? I guess. So I'm gonna be wearing a dress. I'll show you guys the dress that I'm gonna wear. I was saving it to wear for this like place I'm supposed to go with my homegirl Ellie, but I was saving it to wear it there. I did this one time, but you know when you like save an outfit for like a special event and then the event just takes forever to come and then the outfit goes out of style? Like, girl, that happened to me one good time and I just don't do that no more. So I done had this dress for over a month. I'm gonna wear it tonight. So anyways, let me show you guys. Right now I'm gonna go ahead and bleach the knots on that wig. I'm literally just taking a little bit of BW for developer. I'm gonna use 40 volume. I honestly snapped. I finished my client's makeup in like 30 minutes, which was really fast. 350 right now. I have another client at 5, so I have like an hour to get this wig bleached, blow dried, and at least glued on my head, so then I could do my 5 p.m. client, and then I have one more client after that, and then I need to go home and get ready. It's gonna be I don't want this to be too watery, and I don't need it too thick either. I feel like this consistency is a little too runny, and I do not have time for over bleach knots, so I'm gonna add just a little bit of powder to this. All right. Jump scare, I know, but I did go ahead and bleach the knots. So let me show y'all. Y'all know y'all family. I'm gonna rip this wig off. So when you wash out like the bleach and stuff, and then it be looking over bleach, but after I blow dried it, this is how it looks now. Like, it looks way better. We about to have a little blonde bob moment. It's gonna give. But instead of installing my hair, I actually have another client that wants to come, and I'm about my money comes first. So yeah, I'm about to clean up, like, because this looks crazy, and girl, this looks so crazy. I need to hurry up. I'm gonna clean up right now. I literally cannot stand when my shop is dirty. When I have clients coming, first of all, it's unprofessional, and then secondly, I just can't function. It makes me go crazy. Like, where's my stuff?
Cold nights when you cursed his name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach you with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game.
All right, y'all. So we about to finish getting ready after I'm done with my clients, cause real. So I just finished my client. It is currently 6:04. I have a client in approximately 41 minutes, so I'm about to just install this hair real fast, y'all. It's a mess because we have a black truck and I just need to figure out where they're picking me up from, and I need to get ready, and I need to walk my dog, and I just got a lot of stuff to do tonight, so I just need to hurry the fuck up, but money come first. So do not mind my voice. I'm literally so sick right now, but the girls want the content, so I'm gonna give it to the girls. If you guys want a detailed install tutorial, you guys know I have 101, probably 1,001 install tutorials, so you guys can check that out. So as I tied my hair down, I jumped into my makeup. Also, I just threw the makeup in here instead of doing like a separate tutorial, because this is literally my everyday makeup. Well, not every day, but every time I go out, I do the same thing. So if you want like a detailed tutorial, it's gonna pop up on screen right now, and then also it's gonna be down below in the description box, so you guys can check that out after this video. Watch all the way to the end so you can see how my night really went, because such a freaking vibe. Like, ooh, I just had so much fun. Loved it. Okay, so yeah, I'm just blending out, setting my face, doing the normal. I know, big transformation. I just switched. So because my hair had like sat with the scarf and everything like that, I had my last client that I told you guys about, the 6:45, and then after her I was like, okay, boom, do the part, do the edges, define the curls, wet it, boom, and then I'm like, okay, cool, finish your makeup now. So that's why it looks like a bad bitch right now. So yeah, all the products I use is also going to be in the description box with the link to my dress. All right, y'all, so this is a full transformation, period. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all like the full look soon. I still gotta put like the nipple covers, and I was choosing between my Chanel bag, my Shane Justin bag, and then another one, but y'all know I'm definitely gonna do the Chanel because this bitch, shout out to this bitch, say hey girl, hey, period.
Yeah, I'm a Chanel bitch. I love Chanel. I like Chanel. Are you Chanel or Louis?
Chanel.
Yeah, I love
Chanel.
I don't.
All right, y'all, so let me just go ahead and finish let me get myself together, and I'll be right back. Hey y'all, so come with me to spend the night celebrating my homegirl's birthday. So first things first, black truck only. You know, we had a pregame in that truck while we took 4 shots before we even got to the restaurant. Okay, so as you see, we made it to Komodo. Such a beautiful, beautiful place. The ambiance was just gorgeous. I was in love. Perfect for date night. So anyways, this is the menu. It was pretty normal price, a little on the pricier side, but nothing that you wouldn't expect. So we had to toast up to new money, new beginnings, and a happy birthday. And girl, when the shots started coming, you know Team Stacy wasn't running. I'm gonna take that shot, girl, period. This is shot number 5 already, okay? And then you know you lit when you chasing it with your cocktail. But here's shot number 6, okay, period. So I was just throwing back the shots. Y'all, the food, 10 out of 10. They did not miss a beat. This was like a crab sushi. Loved it. And here we are celebrating for Besna. Happy birthday, girlie. Period. She had to blow her candle, make her wish. She's just so cute. Period. Y'all, you could see in my face here, I was toe up already. But you know what? Why I'm at the strip club now? Why I made it to the strip club? And why is there bottles? I'm already drunk. Leave me alone. When I start looking like this, it's over. It's over. Team Stacey's drunk. And guess what? Now I'm at Publix getting some BC and some water and some fruits because I am toe up from the flow up.